Retired legendary fast bowler Courtney Walsh says he would consider taking up a role as head coach of the senior West Indies men's team should an approach be made. The 55-year-old is currently the bowling coach at Bangladesh and his contract will run until the World Cup next year. But he says he would give consideration to any offer made.
If something comes along and it can be done, then it's something I would consider. But at the moment, as much as my heart is there, I just have to wait and see what happens and do the best I can here. But eventually, one day I'd like to be involved, and I'm open to any what would you call it, suggestions or discussion. But I would not say I'm not interested, or I wouldn't be interested in doing something in Western cricket.
Walsh, who once held the world record for most test wickets, also expressed satisfaction with what he considers recent improvements being made by Bangladesh in limited overs cricket.
The bowlers that we use, the captain has done a very good job, and I think recently the stats shows that the Bangladesh players have done extremely well and probably at the top of the sort of table in terms of how they have done for 2018. So I'm very pleased for that.
The Windies men's head coaching position will become vacant at the end of the year when current coach Stuart Law leaves to take up a position with Middlesex in England.